Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here two questions are written. These questions are from quadrilateral chapter of your Ncert book. So today we will discuss these questions, how we will write the solution of this question. We will discuss, okay? So let us see the first question. What question saying? First question is saying ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C so that ABCD is a square diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as D also. Okay. So here ABCD is a rectangle is there. You have to prove ABCD is a square. So here you will make a square and consider as rectangle. Okay. So first make square. Make square. So A, B, C, D. You will make a square. Okay. And here you will write given what? Given is ABCD is rectangle. Okay, you will consider the ABCD is a rectangle. Now diagonal AC, make diagonal AC. Okay, bisect angle A as well as C. This angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle. Okay, see here you will write this. So here write AC bisects angle A and angle C. That is, you will write the meaning of this angle DCA will be equal to angle BCA and angle DAC is equal to angle right here and angle DAC is equal to angle BAC. This is given. Okay, now you have to prove you have to prove ABCD is square. You have to prove. That is, you have to prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Okay. Second thing, first thing you have to prove this. Second thing you have to prove diagonal BC, BD bisects angle B and angle D. Okay. Now proof is started. See here, you have to prove this. Okay. So now how you will prove here the angle ABCD ABCD is equal to AB. So see here, this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. Let's think this angle is equal to this angle by alternate because both angles are alternate. This angle is equal to this angle, both angles are alternate. So when you will compare all the equation, so you will get that key this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle, then side will be equal to each other. Then here rectangle is there. So that is you will write AB is equal to DC and 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 here write down AD is equal to BC. Okay, BC. So now let us start. So first of all, we will write we have what? Angle DCA is equal to angle BCA. Why it is given? I take it as first equation. And angle DAC is equal to angle BAC. Why? Again given second. Okay. Also here write down AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to DC. You will take. So also AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. So here write down given. So what will happen? Angle DCA, angle DCA, angle DCA is equal to angle BCA, angle BCA. sorry, angle DCA is equal to BAC. Angle BAC. Why? Alternate interior angles. Okay, and take it as third equation. And angle DAC, angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. Angle BCA. Same reason, you will write alternate interior angle. So consider as fourth equation. Consider as fourth equation. Okay. Now compare. Now compare. Now compare. See, from equation first, second, third, and fourth. What you will get? Angle DCA is equal to angle BCA is equal to angle DAC is equal to angle BAC. Okay, that is, you can say that the angle DAC is equal to C. DAC will be equal to DCA. So angle DCA is equal to angle DAC. See, this angle become equal to this angle DAC, DCA. So, AD is equal to DC will be AD is equal to DC will be by isosceles property. Isosceles property, you know that the opposite sides are equal, then opposite angle will be equal, then opposite side will be equal. Okay, take it as first. Take it as first, and angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. BAC equal to BCA. So what will happen? AB is equal to BC will be again by isosceles property. Okay, and take it as second equation. Now also we have what? AB is equal to DC, and AB is equal to DC. Take it as third, and AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Take it as why it is here. You will write down given. Okay. Now take it as third equation and take it as fourth equation. Now from which what you have get? See, uh, here already we have taken first, second, third, fourth. So take it as fifth. Okay, sorry, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So from fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth, what will happen? AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Okay, so ABCD is square. Is square. Okay, so first thing you have proved this. First thing you have proved this. Okay, now you have to prove that this angle is equal to this angle. So from here, see, angle DAC. Sorry, we have to prove BD bisect. Now here you will make BD bisects angle D and angle B. Okay. So see here, if this is a square, then what you will write is this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is uh, this angle is this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle by alternate, and this angle is equal to this angle by alternate. Okay.
Now you will write here what? Now here what you will write? That means so now you will write as as AB as AB is equal to AB is equal to AD as AB is equal to AD. Proved above. Proved above. So angle ADB is equal to angle ABD. ABD. Okay. Why? By isosceles property. Again, take it as ninth equation. Okay. Now, now you will write as as DC is equal to BC, as BC is equal to DC. Okay. Why? Proved above. Proved above. Okay. So what will happen? BC to angle CDB is equal to angle CBD. Angle CBD. Why? By isosceles property. By isosceles property. Also see AD parallel to BC is there. AD parallel to BC is there. Given it is. So what happens? So angle ABD is equal to angle ABD is equal to angle CDB. This angle equal to this angle CDB. Why? Alternate interior angle. Okay. And take it as, here we have taken here ninth equation. Okay. Ninth equation, and this is 10th equation. Okay. This is 10th equation, and here you will consider 11th equation. And angle ADB is equal to angle CBD. ADB is equal to CBD. Angle CBD. Okay. Same reason AIA, and consider as 12th equation. Consider as 12th equation. Now compare 11, 9, 10th, 11, 12th. You will get that the BD bisect angle B and angle D also. Okay, so let us see here how you will write. So here I am going to erase given part. Okay, here I am going to erase given part so that you can understand. So see here what you will write from from 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. 12th. 12th you will say that key angle ADB is equal to angle CDB is equal to angle ABD is equal to angle CBD. Okay, so here you have see this one and see this one. Okay, so what you will get, what you will write key, so BD bisects angle B as well as angle D also. Okay, so in this way you will prove this also. So see how you will write the solution of this question. How you will prove the particular rectangle is a square, and how you will write the particular diagonal bisect both angle. Okay, so see this, in this way you will do the question. Okay, now come to next question. In this question, what question saying, in parallelogram ABCD is a parallelogram. 2 points PQ are taken on diagonal BD such that DP is equal to BQ. So here write down given AB CD is parallelogram. If parallelogram is there, then what will happen? AD is parallel to BC and AB parallel to DC. AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to DC. This will happen. Okay. Now, one thing more given to DP is equal to BQ is there. Okay. Now you have to prove. To prove. To prove. There are five things you have to prove. First, triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB. Second thing you have to prove AP is equal to CQ. Third thing you have to prove triangle AQB congruent to triangle CPD. Fourth thing you have to prove AQ is equal to CP. And fifth thing you have to prove AP CQ is parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram. Now let us start our proof. Let us start our proof. So we have to prove triangle APD. So right here, consider that triangle in triangle APD and triangle CQB. Now see APD, CQB. In APD and CQB, AD is equal to BC given. Okay. BQ is equal to DP given. And this angle equal to this angle, as both angle are alternate interior angle, as AD parallel to BC is there. Okay. So here you will write what? You will write AD is equal to BC. Why? Given. I have written already. Okay. DP is equal to BQ. Again, given angle CBQ is equal to angle ADP. ADP. Alternate interior angle as AD parallel to BC. BC is given. Now, so you can say that triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB by SAS criteria. See, two sides and included angle. Therefore, now see AP and CQ are the part of congruent triangle. So here you will write down AP is equal to CQ by CP CT. Okay. So two things you have proved. See here. Two things you have proved here. Now come to the third one. So for writing the third one solution, so I am going to erase this part, this question and solution. See here now. Okay, now see the third one. Okay, see the third one. So third one you have to prove triangle AQB. So consider in triangle AQB and triangle AQB and CPD. Triangle CPD. Now see AQB and CPD. So in AQB, AB and CD are equal. Okay, and BQ is equal to DP is given already. Okay, and alternate angle, this angle equal to this angle. Okay, then both triangle congruent with each other. So here write down AB. AB is equal to AB is equal to AB is equal to CD. Why? It is given. Okay. Second thing is DP. DP is equal to BQ. DP is equal to BQ. Again, you will write given. Okay. Now angle AB ABQ, angle ABQ is equal to angle ADP, angle AD, sorry, what C, sorry, CDP, ABQ CPD, angle CBT, okay, ABQ, ABQ and CD, sorry, CDP, CDP, okay, CDP. Why? Alternate interior angle as AB parallel to CD is given. AB parallel to CD is given. Okay. So you can write triangle AQB is equal to angle CPD. Okay. Here and what criteria? SAS criteria. Now, now see this AQ and CP are the part of congruent triangle. So here you will write
AQ is equal to CP by CPCT.
here also two things means four things we have proved. Okay, now you have proved APCQ is a parallelogram. Now see APCQ is a parallelogram. So see AQ is equal to CP is there, AP is equal to CQ is there. Okay, and so for making parallelogram, so you have to show AQ and PC parallel and PQ, AP and PQC parallel. Okay, so for this you have to make both triangle congruent with each other. Now see
In triangle
in triangle APQ
APQ and
triangle CQP.
CQP.
AQ is equal to P.
AQ is equal to CP, proved above, proved above. Okay.
Then AP is equal to CQ. Sorry, AQ is equal to CP. AQ is equal to CP. Now AP is equal to QC.
AP is equal to QC.
AP is equal to QC.
Again, proved above. Proved above.
See here we have proved na this one. Okay. And PQ is common.
And PQ is equal to QP.
Common is there.
So
Triangle
AQ, sorry, APQ is congruent to triangle CQP. Okay, by triple S criteria. So what you will write?
what you will write? Angle APQ.
Angle APQ
Is equal to angle CQP.
angle CQP. Therefore, what you will write? Therefore, so what you will write?
This angle is equal to this angle, then AP parallel to
AP parallel to CQ. AP parallel to CQ as angle APQ and angle CQP are alternate interior angle. Okay. Also,
here you will write down CPCT. Also angle AQP.
angle AQP
Is equal to angle CPQ.
CPQ again by CPCT. So,
What will happen? AQ parallel to PC.
AQ parallel to PC as angle AQP and angle CPQ are AIA,
Alternate interior angle. Okay. Now what will say that therefore APCQ is parallelogram. You will write APCQ is parallelogram as opposite sides opposite sides opposite sides are equal and parallel, parallel, that is AP is equal to CQ, AP is equal to CQ, AQ is equal to CP, AP parallel to CQ and AQ parallel to CP. Proved above, proved above, hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Now we have proved that the APCQ is a parallelogram. Okay, see the solution how you will write. Okay, so I hope you have understood both questions, or you will write the solution of both questions. Okay, so if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it. And if you have any query, then comment in comment box. Okay, and if you are facing problem in any question, okay, so take pic of that question and send me at my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, so at this number, send me pic of that question in which you are facing problem. I will make video of that question so that your doubt will be cleared through the video. Okay, till now, goodbye. Have a nice day and wait for the next video. In next video, we will discuss some more questions related to the quadrilateral. Okay, thank you.